I'm Madison and welcome to my YouTube channel, MaddCrafty. Thanks for joining me on my very first video ever. Today we're making garden stepping stones like these and these. Okay, so first, before you start, definitely line your area with trash bags or newspaper or something you don't care about because it's gonna get mad messy. Okay, so the first time I made stepping stones was last year, and I made them first by using this kit. It's by ArtMinds. It has everything you need in there, and it comes with these molds so you can reuse them. Today I'm using this. So you don't even really need an actual mold from the store. You can really use anything that is mold-like. Pots, pans, whatever. Even like a little Altoids thing if you wanted to make a little baby stepping stone or something cute for the table, you could use that too. But today I'm gonna use the molds because I have them. You're also gonna need a bucket. I like to use buckets from the dollar store because if something happens to it, I don't really care because it was $1. And this is 12 cups. Okay, so the trick now is to pour it in slowly, and as you pour it in, you gotta mix it. Yeah. So you're just gonna start mixing it, and the idea is to get it like pancake mixed. You gotta get all the clumps out. You might need more water, but let's get a really good mix. It's pretty tough. Okay, so once you have your pancake-like cement-looking mix, take your cooking spray. I'm gonna use Pam, and make sure to give it a good coating because you don't want it to struggle when it's coming out, right? Okay. Woo! Okay, so pour your cement in and then give it a little shake. And a little hit. So that all the bubbles are popped and you can see the bubbles. Just shake them out. Okay, now it's time for the fun. So whenever anyone in my house breaks something, I take the big pieces and I put it in this bucket. So you can kind of use whatever you want. I have these big keys that also would look cool inside of a stepping stone. I have a bag full of Mosaic pieces, marbles. You can get stuff from the dollar store. You can just be really freaking creative with it. Okay, so you're gonna leave this right here for 24 hours. So make sure you do this in this place where you can leave it. Don't worry if there's like some dried cement on a piece that's showing because in 24 hours, when it's all done, we're gonna clean the top. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay, that's it for now. And now it's time to flip. Okay, we're gonna flip it, so you need to put two hands securely at the top. Flip really quick. And if you use your Pam spray, it should come right out. Let's see. Nice and thick, even, and glossy. Okay, there's a little bit more waiting time because the final step is curing your stepping stone. What you want to do is you want to put like pens or pencils or something under here for another 24 hours so that the bottom can breathe. I'm going to use these keys. Here's my stepping stone, and here is the bottom. This is what it looks like. It's just elevated the littlest bit. Okay, so leave this here for another 24 hours before you put it in your garden or yard. Okay, so the box that I used was 10 pounds of cement, and I was able to make 2 stepping stones with it. It was also $10, but I remember at Home Depot I got an 80-pound bag of cement, which was also around the $10 range, and I was able to make quadruple the amount. So I think you get a better bang for your buck if you go to Home Depot and get a really big, massive bag and do it as a big project. Okay, so to wrap this video up, I first wanted to show you all the stepping stones that I have made in case they might inspire you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If any of you at home make these stepping stones, please let me know if you have better tips, if you have good ideas, any comments, questions, concern, you can comment below. Please like the video if you liked it. Consider subscribing if you want to see more crafts. I'll definitely be doing a lot of Christmas crafts coming up for the holidays. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.